Today is a good day. Why is it a good day? Because I got my racks back from the painter. So the one thing I didn't want to do myself was paint the racks. So there you go. Nice job on the painting. I prepared them for him. I cleaned up my welds. I sanded the metal. I had it all ready for him. So it's just a case of him painting the racks and the bars. But yeah, he did a great job. So today I've been fitting the racks onto the bike. So I've those panniers fitted now, those pannier racks fitted. And just to show you how they look on the bike. Just go around to the side here. Okay. So that's how they fit on the machine. I have a number of mounting points. I have a mounting point here, which goes down to the exhaust pipe mounting point. I have the other mounting point, which is here, which is 2 bolts through the original. Take out the original bolts and put 2 slightly longer bolts in. And then my last mounting point is from here, and that goes up to this point here, which is the strengthening that Royal Enfield put into this. Some of these racks were breaking, so Royal Enfield themselves put in this little piece, extra piece here, a triangle here. So I just drilled through the center of that triangle, and that turned out to be my final mounting point. I'll just show you now. Okay, so that's it there, and it goes down to the rack. I'm going to repeat myself because I've 2 videos. The first one I held the phone the wrong way, so I'm going to repeat what I said about the racks. These racks are mainly for holding my soft panniers and stopping them from going in against the wheel. They're strong enough. If I get small metal panniers, I will. I made these racks so that they were shorter than what a lot of the Royal Enfield pannier racks are longer. They come to here, and you have to remount the indicators and run the wiring, and it's quite ugly. I wanted to leave the indicators, and there's plenty of room. The indicators can be seen perfectly. The pannier bags go under the seat over here, and they end up about here, you know, and they of course they won't go anywhere. These are very strong. There's absolutely no way that they'll break. So they're also great for lifting the bike up, putting it on the center stand. It gives you another alternative point. Instead of holding here when you're pulling the bike back, you can hold here when pulling the bike back. Anyway, that was those. I'm repeating myself a lot, but the first video I held the phone the wrong way, and some people get really annoyed when the phone's held the wrong way. But eventually I'll get a GoPro someday if my channel ever becomes popular. So if I get some likes would be fantastic. Subscribers would be amazing. And then I'd like to make videos, get myself a GoPro and make some videos as I'm traveling around. The next post I put up, I'll show you how it looks with the pannier bags on. And then, I don't know, eventually someday I might get some boxes for it, or I might make some boxes from ammunition boxes or something like that. So that's how they sit. They don't sit too far out. There's plenty of room for the exhaust pipe there. And you can see, to get them straight, you can see that's why I had to make this bracket here. Let me point. This bracket here had to be at an angle like that, as you can see there. Very happy with them. Painted did a good job. And okay, that's her. That's the latest addition to the bike. Very pleased with the whole look of it. And I'll get the panniers on tomorrow. As I said in my last video, today's a good day for doing something like that, because it's pretty miserable and rainy out, and something nice to do, nice and dry inside. Okay folks, thanks for watching and listening to my meanderings, and I really appreciate anybody who wants to subscribe or make some comments. Tell me you like the racks, tell me the racks are terrible. I don't mind, anything is good for the channel, and I'd really like the channel to get bigger, but I don't know. You need a certain type of personality, and I think mine might be a bit bland. I am an introvert. I thinking maybe I'll show less of my face and more of what I'm doing. But okay, that's it for me. That's enough for me waffling on. All the best, and I'll show you these fitted in the next post. I'll show the panniers fitted in the next post.